Hi there and welcome. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Melissa, and in today's video, I get to combine two of my favorite things, thrifting and French style decor. I love thrifting for home decor, and I'm very much into that French provincial, French country look. So come and join me as I show you some ways of how I found some very cheap, inexpensive, thrifted home decor and how I decorate it in my own home. So let's check it out.
Well, my love of French decor is strong with this haul. I can't believe how much I lucked out. So something that I really look for when I go garage sailing, yard sailing, thrift store shopping is I look for pictures. I'm very much attached to that gold frame, the intricate detail, that gilded edges. And so I look for those and I look for that special scenery. And I also keep an eye out for French blue, transfer wear, sterling silver. Check out my video where I actually had to polish this before I used it. So let's get started on how I decorated this in my home. So let's start with the silver candlestick holders. And really there's such versatility with this. Now, normally I would put candlestick holders like this along a long table like my dining room table, but I also wanted to show how you can create such an ambiance using a little bit more of an intimate gathering. And I really love the asymmetrical balance that you can create with these candlestick holders using different heights, or maybe you top it up a notch like I did where you're placing it on a mirror. And again, there's such versatility with these candlestick holders, and even the staggering balance really helps give that visual appeal to something more linear like a piano or a dining room table or maybe a fireplace mantle. And it really does lend itself to that French feel that I'm going for in this room. So next we have this beautiful gilded picture oil painting with this gorgeous frame. I love how it looks with those decorations that I've added with the candlestick holder. It really gives itself its own presence. Now, I'm not quite convinced if I'm going to leave it there or not. It's so beautiful. I really do feel that it might need to be on a wall all by itself. So stay tuned. I might change it, but until then, I'm going to enjoy and look at it throughout the day in this beautiful light in my living room. So next up is one of my absolute favorite finds, and this is a little compilation I've had to put together. And first things first, I wanted to really clear out my wall and get ready for my showstopper pieces. Now this piece, well, I thrifted my mother-in-law's house. Thankfully, she is the best mother-in-law in the world and was able to provide me with a tapestry that I will talk about in a second. So I found these beautiful blue transferware plates, and I picked up this plate holder from Michael's, and it's really easy to put on, and then it helps you to place them on the wall securely so they don't fall. I really just had to take a look at what I was using and deciding from an eye's view if I liked it or not. The level can be your best friend, don't forget that. And it was just trial and error for me. And then to finish up some of the extra transferware and those beautiful blue and white porcelain candle holder sticks, I was able to create this little vignette area or coffee area in my kitchen. Now let's talk about this tapestry. So before my husband and I had met, his family moved into a new home, and there is where my mother-in-law discovered this authentic French tapestry. And she was able to frame it in this beautiful blue and gold frame. And now I am so blessed to be able to call this my own. I really love how this brings it up a notch, adds some French flair into my kitchen decor, and I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So on to the next piece. Now this is again that sterling silver dish. I'm really loving that porcelain look. The blue and white really speaks French to me, or European flair, and just finding a means to use this dish. Now I just left it on my island. I'm just trying to show you what it looks like and some examples, but imagine this in your front foyer or on a shelf or on a dining room table. It's just really going to speak French, and it's something that really is going to be eye-popping. And now, last but not least, it's those frames. And again, I love going into thrift stores, into garage sales with that eye of looking for those gold framed pictures that are also going to have that scenery that, even though they're completely different, they really do go together. And so I found some outdoor sceneries of exterior homes, and it really gives to that European vintage look that I'm really going for in my home. I absolutely love how this really creates some statement piece on your wall, and I hope you like it too.
And I actually hope you liked all of the ideas. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't be afraid to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It always helps to grow my channel. Until next time, I hope this has helped you to stay inspired.